What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be running a true vacuum for the blow-off valve, running a true vacuum source. In my last video I installed the Sound Symposer delete kit and I opted to just plug the vacuum port hole. So in this video I'm going to take it out, put the vacuum port stem in, and then run the true vacuum line. So I bought all the materials for that, and I'll be showing you guys how to do that. It's pretty simple, and I'm really curious about the sound effect, the sound difference. I've read a lot on the forums that it makes a huge difference, so we will see. So I'm gonna head back home, and I am going to try and do this true vacuum, and I will check in with you guys when I get there. All right, so I'm back home. I just took the plate off, the Sound Symposer delete kit plate off, and now I'm going to remove this piece that I screwed in last video. There we go. And now we're going to be putting the boost port in here. All right, now when you tighten this, so I think I measured it out. I think this is a 12 millimeter wrench. All right, I'm gonna finish tightening this up and then we'll get onto the hose. Okay, so first I took the engine cover off, and then the next thing we want to do is grab some pliers, and we're gonna be taking this clip off of the solenoid right here to take the vacuum off, and then we're going to take this clip off right here so we can run our new tubing from the Sound Symposer port. I haven't put it in yet, and we're going to run some tubing, you know, up in here, whatever, and connect it to here, and then that's all it requires. So let me take this clip off and this clip off. Oh, Jesus. So as you saw, that thing is a bitch to get off, but it's off. All right, cool. I'm actually gonna try and push it all out here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Got the clip off. Now I just need to get this off. There it goes. Okay, so we have it off from here, and we have it off from here. This goes to the blow-off valve. So we're going to be running our tube from the delete plate, the boost port, under here. I haven't put it on yet, and we're going to run some tubing up here, connect it here, and we're going to cap this off. So I'm going to cap this off first. Okay, so I need to cap this off. I have a vacuum end cap, 3/16 inch and inner diameter. Just gonna slide this on. All right, so this metal clip is too big for this end cap, so I probably will end up replacing this, but for now, just to get through the install, I'll keep using it, and I'll just use just a simple zip tie to tighten it down. I'll cut this at the end. All right, so I'll show you guys this. So here's the vacuum tubing, got it off Amazon. This is also 3/16 inner diameter, just a bit thicker. This is the heat resistant one. I'll put a link for all this stuff. I'm not going to put a link for that blue rubber cap that I got there because that thing's garbage. But this should be good. I'll link this down below. And we only need a little bit of this. This is 10 feet. And so I'm going to measure it out and then cut it and go from there. Alright, so I measured it out. Just cut it, nice and simple. I'm going to go grab a tape measure and measure it for you guys so you guys know how to cut it. There's all the extra. Okay. So if we take a look, it's about 31 inches and in metric, so that's about, what is that, 80 centimeters ish, maybe it's like 78 centimeters, something like that. But yeah, 31 inches, just so you guys know. Okay, so now I am reinstalling the plate. Just remember, O-ring goes towards the engine like that, and get the boost port sticking outwards. All right, that's probably tight enough. Yeah, those are both tight enough. Okay. Okay, I put the clamp on first. Now I'm gonna slide it on. Okay, that's all the way back. All right, now let's move that clamp up a bit. Okay. I think I'm gonna run this tubing just up here and then connect it to here, run it along here, and then to the back and hook it in. All right, so I'm not tightening it all the way, so I have a little wiggle room to move them around. So in the end, I think I have a little bit too much, because I just needs to go like that. Shove it under there like it did before. And okay. Yeah, so I have a little bit extra there. So I just put the clip on over, and now I'm going to attach it. Oh, God. Okay, I finally got this clip on. There it is. That thing was extremely difficult to get on there. Anyways, it's on. So, clips on this end of the vacuum hose. This goes to the blow-off valve. This is the cap. Again, I'm going to buy a different cap. You guys shouldn't buy this one. The thickness of the cap was just too small for the clip. So I'm using the zip tie, and this cap's a little too long. So try to get a little bit of a shorter one. And then I have this all zip tied. And then I have it run into the boost port right there with the clip on there as well. So I'm going to tighten up these zip ties. I'm going to start the car up, and hopefully the car is okay. Alright guys, so that is it for this video on installing a true vacuum source using the Sound Symposer Delete Kit, the boost port. And I'm sure during some of those revs you did hear quite a bit of turbo flutter, more than I expected, so I was a little shocked by that. And the blow valve definitely sounds different, but my GoPro battery is about to die, so I will record some sound clips of me driving the car ASAP. I'll probably drop that video probably within 24 hours of dropping this video. So look forward to that. And I appreciate everyone watching, and I hope people found this useful. And I will catch you guys soon. See you.